Hello, welcome to my another iPad as your computer episode 2. Okay, this is a 2020 iPad Pro 12.9 inch. At first, I think I'm going to do a review for this iPad, but it seems like so many people already done that. I think we can skip that review. Directly go for the how to use your iPad Pro as your computer. Today, I'm going to show you a very simple guide. This is an Outlook application. It's basically a mirroring application. Why I want to show this? Let me show you an example. A lot of people, when they use the iPad, have one complaint that I heard from my friends is every time they compose an email, example, they type, "Hello, please book a table for me on maybe 5th May 2020. What is the problem they face is that when they want to highlight this, you can see there is no option for them to highlight. So they can either choose bold, italic, or underline. No highlight option, nothing. So beside the built-in app, actually if you go to some other app, even you download the Outlook app, same thing. Hello, brother. Highlight, nothing, you see. No highlight at all. This will be the problem that draws so many people say that, hey, they cannot do this because the app is so limited. What I'm going to show you today is take a look at my Outlook here. Okay, I put a new message. I say hello. Book a table for me on 5th May 2020. So now I want to highlight. When I want to highlight, I put this green highlighted. Enter. Thanks. You see, the highlight still works. Okay, let me remove this highlight from here. Simple and easy. Correct, then I can just send. Okay, so how do I do that? First, you just need to go to your Safari. The very good news is because Microsoft Outlook, they start to do what we call a web app. So how do we do that? We just go to Safari, we go to outlook.com, or you want to type outlook.live.com, also can. So when the time you go into the Outlook, right, you can actually just tap on this share button and then add to home screen. You can add as many as you want because sometimes you will have more than one different mailbox. So let's say I say Outlook 2, add, done, Outlook 2 over here. When I come in, from here, this is normal. Every time you first add, you just need to type in your login user. Let's say, let me type in, give me a moment. I should choose an email. Next. Oh, I don't want to use this email. Next. Okay, password. Remember to click this keep me sign in. Otherwise, every time you open the Outlook app, it will bring you go to the login app again. You don't want that. So remember, check keep me sign in. Sign in. Okay, when you have this, sometimes you have Gmail, you have other mail. So what do? Very simple. You can just go to your setting and then view all Outlook setting. Come over here, sync email. Okay, under the sync email, you can link your Gmail account. So what to do is just type in the name, say Gmail, and then you can choose you have two options to choose. One is it connect your Gmail account for you just to send email. It will not pull any mail from your mailbox. So if you want to do that, you can choose the second one, which is just for send only. The other one is it will pull the mail for you into your Outlook, this client, and then at the same time, it will also allow you to send the email as your Gmail account. So you can choose the first one, and then you can create a subfolder, or you can dump everything into the main inbox. This one actually is out of your own preference. Then you can just hit OK, follow the on-screen instruction to add your Gmail account into this Outlook client. So next time when you send email, let me cancel this because I no need. So next time when you send email, at the from here, you will have other options to choose. One is from Gmail, one is from maybe Outlook, another one is from your Yahoo. Okay, then you can start to send email. Do whatever thing that you would like to do at the basic desktop email client as you want. Hello, this is cool. Okay, I can just highlight, or I can change the text color. You see. So actually this is very good and simple. I believe everyone can do that. And one of the best thing is with this mail client, you also can do side by side. So now I can actually pull a Excel out. You see, it will still work. It will still work. You can still, let me open the Excel. Here I can still type the thing that I want. You see, it just works like the built-in application. I believe this tutorial might help you better when you send email. Okay, I think that's it for today's episode. I will see you again in the next episode. If you want to know more about how to use your computer, how to use your iPad as computer, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, please hit a like for me. And if you have any idea, or you don't know how to use your iPad as computer, you can leave it in the comment. After I see if I have a method, I will show you in another video. Thank you. That's all for today. Bye.